Hi everyone, this is Joseph from VRS Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. You can never have enough cases for your beautiful device. This one is from VRS Design. It is the Terra modern case in mint. Yes, I've been wanting to review this, and I forgot I almost had this case, so a couple people have been asking me to review it, so we'll definitely check it out. I do like VRS Design's cases. I've been using them. They make some great cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Check out my other videos. Go see which one you want to pick up. I need to give a shout out to them for sending this case to me for a review. Like we normally do in my videos, make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? Can you wireless charge? You know, just the normal stuff you expect when you watch someone reviewing a case. So let's get it started. Again, presentation, bam. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. I don't know why we say that. Nobody's going to pause the video and try to read that. Really not. But it's a habit. Now, with VRS Designs, you get a screen protector, some installation guides. You know, you get all the things you need for, oh, wow, whoa, sorry. I like this color. And it has the little hinge protection there with the Durafoam protection, so that way you don't scratch up your beautiful display. And then you have the front. I like how that little piece is a little bit grayer. Man, this is a nice looking case. So let's move this on the side. All right, so you have Terra there, VRS Designs. You have some other branding there. I like this case. I like how it's like in the back is smooth. Doesn't have all that design on there. But let's see how this thing fits. VSR Design makes some great cases where you don't need the hinge protection. The adhesive strips, that's the word I was looking for. And they fit snug too. So I just want to make sure it's in there and on camera too. What y'all think about that design and the color? Man, this I'm gonna have to rock it with this case. Now the volume rockers and the power button are open, and it's easy to get to, so not bad at all there. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You can see it there too. Do you get hinge protection? Yes, it's there. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top there. Now, do you get lip action? Yes, you do. All the way around too, so look at that. VRS Design on the hinge too. So when you open it up, it does cover some of the front display, which a lot of people have complained or mentioned to me. I don't see that as a big deal, but it also gives you something to hold while you have the phone like this. Also, if you wanted to, it kind of gives you like a little kickstand. But look at you do have lip action all the way around too. This is how it looks at the bottom when it's open. Also from the top. And let's see. When you close it, there you go. It got stuck, but let's see. Okay, so there you go. I was trying to make sure it didn't get stuck again. Faulty installation. What y'all think about this case? Does it add much bulk? It adds some. Not gonna lie, it adds some bulk to your phone. but it's not, you know, overwhelming. And it protects you. I mean, this is a great looking case. Which I think. Now, can your wireless charge? Again, I don't think you'll have a problem. And yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can go ahead and pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.